And we're at Cipro train station. First meeting point for the food tour. So let's go find these people to eat. So we met up with our small group of 7 people for the tour, and we were quickly on our way to the first stop. First place on our tour is called Secondo Trazione. We were there to try different types of prosciutto, cheeses, and drink a lot of wine. So let's go.
So 500-600 grapes. I don't know if you've ever been to when you go to a restaurant, you get right away and releases it even faster. So if I gotta test thousands of prosciuttos hanging everywhere, how can I do this with more?
So the second stop is a place called La Tradizione, which is a meat, cheese, and pasta shop. We did not eat here, but the tour guide wanted to give us a feel for what a typical shop looks like here. It was pretty cool to see all the different fresh types of foods available.
Capopolo, these in the front, you see Capopolo?
A short while later, we went to our next stop, the Pizza Reaume, which is also my favorite stop on the whole tour. This place had some good worldwide press, including Anthony Bourdain covering it as well.
Give me that. I just... Okay. Scusa. Salsiccia parmigiana. Potato mozzarella, chickpea pureed, and artichokes. Ooh. Okay. I haven't seen artichokes since last year, meaning seasonal. Bologna. So immigrants get to America, they're gonna call it something else, and they're gonna make it with onions, marinated in juniper, mozzarella, and bacon. Pancetta, not bacon. Red sauce on the base, spicy spreadable salami, arugula, and sheep ricotta. They think I'm even crazier now. I'm down here, just saw her turn around. I want to be like, hi. And then margarita pizza.
So after we were stuffed with pizza, we went to La Bufalina. This is a shop that specializes in buffalo mozzarella and balsamic vinegar. We got to taste a little bit of the variety that they offered there, and also get a little education as well about the cheeses. After sampling a few more cheeses, we went on to our next stop, at a family-style restaurant where we would have our last savory meal. The name of the restaurant is called the Garden of the Cat and the Fox. So let's check it out.
So in a good way. Ravioli is stuffed with ricotta, spinach, parmigiano reggiano, a pinch of salt, and a raw egg. You'll like this. So this would be a huge, like one person's pizza.
I know. They've been eating that.
Yeah, we've been eating it all.
I want you to know that I can have...
The last stop for the tour was stopping by a gelato shop to learn about what real gelato is and try out many of the different flavors there. So let's go.
Gelato cannot be fluffy. If I see this and I even remotely see this, I can't just leave the place.
So that was a Roman food tour. A great experience where we got to eat at 5 different restaurants and have a variety of food. It seemed like bottomless wine. It was a 4-hour dinner surrounded by good people, and it cost about 90 euros per person. All in all, a great experience. Check it out if you can, folks. Ciao, everyone.